Look around. AI is everywhere, but deep down, you're probably feeling the same frustration that's been gnawing at everyone chasing real progress. Things move fast, yet nothing really changes. Everyone talks about AI breakthroughs, but how many actually reshape the game? The truth is, traditional computing is hitting walls. Limits on speed, limits on how much data you can process, and no real edge left to push beyond what's already known. If you're leading a startup, managing investments, or running a team aiming to innovate, you get it. You feel the pressure. Sitting just on the edge, knowing the old tools won't cut it if you want to leap, not crawl. You're hungry for something else, something that breaks the mold, changes the whole equation. Now, what if the next giant leap is not just about better algorithms or more data centers, but something totally different? Quantum computing. This isn't some sci-fi fantasy. Quantum machines mess with reality in ways classical computers can't touch. They process information in parallel dimensions, solving problems that would take today's best computers thousands of years. Imagine the kind of AI that could think and learn at a scale and speed we've only dreamed of. This is the kind of power that doesn't just tweak AI, but explodes it, reshapes AI's very foundation. The catch? It's messy, it's hard, and it demands a mindset shift so brutal most don't even try. So here's what needs to happen if you want to stop being left behind and start owning the future. Stop waiting for some magic product or easy upgrade. Dive headfirst into quantum literacy. Learn what these machines can and cannot do right now. It's not just about knowing the tech. It's about understanding how quantum changes what AI can model and solve. Forget generic news. Get hands-on. Connect with the few who are already playing in this arena. Researchers, startups, even competitors who are quietly building real quantum-powered AI. You don't have time for surface talk anymore. Next, build partnerships with quantum computing providers, even if their tools seem rough or limited. Early access is your weapon. Use it to test ideas that classical tech struggles with. Complex optimizations, secure communications, new AI models that run fundamentally differently. Push past the noise and prestige signals and focus on outputs. What quantum can do for your AI pipeline right now, no matter how small the step, starts the chain reaction. Others will scramble to catch up with. And here's the kicker. Don't just chase efficiency or minor improvements. Quantum AI challenges your whole understanding of intelligence. You have to rethink data, algorithms, and even what learning means. This means breaking down old assumptions, like AI has to be trained on massive sets of classical data only, or it has to run on silicon chips. You need to be ready to merge AI development with quantum physics principles. Start building teams who think differently, who bridge math, computer science, and physics without borders or ego. If you dare to lead like that, you don't just use quantum AI, you create entirely new kinds of intelligence. At the same time, watch closely because this is messy territory. Quantum isn't a silver bullet yet. Not every idea will scale or survive. But every day you wait to jump in, others get ahead. Investors already know this. Founders who are paranoid and restless are already working on quantum AI startups that sound like wild science fiction, but could own the next decade. You have to step out of waiting for permission or a clear path. In this new era, clarity comes from action and relentless learning, not from following old blueprints. Lastly, own your role as a bridge between what AI was, what quantum computing is becoming, and what the future demands. Your position isn't just about tech or money, it's about connecting dots no one else puts together. Build connections with the few who get it, ignore the crowd convinced this is hype, and focus on real breakthroughs in the labs and startups that barely make headlines. If you do this, you stop playing catch-up and become the pulse-driving transformation. Quantum computers aren't just another thing in AI. They're the missing link that can break the deadlock holding AI in place today. Use this moment. Dive deep. Collaborate fiercely. Stop punishing yourself with slow evolution. The future you want, the breakthroughs your business needs, they're already being shaped by those who understand quantum's real power, right now. Don't get left behind watching from the sidelines. Step in, hard. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and open the featured link to learn more.